Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ramandeep. Welcome to my channel. Now, in beginning, we'll be taking the topic regarding organ of medicine, detailed discussions by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, and then some commentaries given by Dr. Kent. Now, we're going to start aphorism number 1, which states that physician's high and only mission is to restore the sick to health, to cure as it is termed. Now, this is the very beginning of organ of medicine, that is in medical science and in homeopathy. What are the basic concepts? Health, disease, and cure. These are the three terms basically involved. Now, what is health? According to WHO definition, also health is the state of physical, social, and mental well-being of a person. Now, well-being states that when person is free from disease. Physical well-being mentions to physical well-being means to say that person is free from any disease state. Then mental well-being, when person is having proper mental health, means we will discuss in detail in further aphorisms. And then social well-being, when person is behaving properly socially, and he will be able to behave proper socially only if he is mentally healthy. Now this covers the whole state of health, that is physical, mental, and social well-being. Now details will be covered in next aphorisms. Here we're just taking in brief health, then disease and cure. Now when the state of health is deviated by some external disease causing agent or due to any reason, maybe some emotional reason, maybe some physical cause, maybe some microorganism caused by disease caused by microorganism, any of the causative agents which cause the changes in health, that is, it will lead to the next state, that is called the disease state. Dis-ease means away from comfort, when person is not having the feeling of well-being, that mentions the disease. And last thing is the term is the cure. Now what physician has to do, maybe a homeopathic physician, maybe allopathic physician, in any field of science, but what is the work of physician? To bring the disease state of health back to the state of health. Means when the person is not feeling, having the sense of well-being, to bring that state to being the state of well-being when person is feeling well. Now these are the three terms: health, disease, and cure. Now here Dr. Hahnemann mentions physician's high and only mission. Now mission means to say what is the purpose, what the physician has to do. Physician's high and only mission means what is the only purpose or what will be the only target of physician is to restore the sick to health. Restore, that is, we have previously discussed in definition also, restore the sick to health. Person has become sick, maybe mentally sick and maybe physically sick, means we have the physician has to bring that sick state of health back to the normal health, that is when the person will be having the feeling of well-being. Sick to health, to cure as it is termed, means bringing the sick state to the back to the normal state, that is the healthy state. This is called the cure as it is termed. Means this is the definition of cure. Definition of cure means bringing the person from disease state to the normal healthy state. Now Dr. Kent comments, now what is meant by the sick? It's a man that is sick and has to be restored to health, not his body or tissues. Now here comes the most important aspect of homeopathic system of medicine, that is homeopathy believes that that will discuss the concept of vital force, that is operational force, which is responsible for carrying out the normal functioning of the body in next aphorism, that is 9 and 10. Now in here he states that it is man that is sick and has to be restored to health, not his body or tissues. Homeopathy doesn't believe only in material things, that is, homeopathy believes that first the inner being of the human being, that is a vital force that is affected by some external disease causing agent, and it is a sick that has to be restored to health, means internal state of health of the person that is now disturbed has to be brought back to the normal healthy state, not his body or tissues. Means in homeopathy treatment we are not going to concentrate on the changes in body or only the changes in tissue. We will be working on the changes in the vital force, how these changes are brought about, what are the causative agents, and mostly you will see in homeopathic practice the medicines will be prescribed, and the best results are when we choose a medicine according to the causation of the disease. Causation of disease comes the same point, that is what was the thing that is causing the changes in vital force, means what was the thing which was responsible for bringing the healthy state to the disease state. When we are going to catch that thing, that is causative agent, then we get the proper result of homeopathic medicines. Man is sick and has to be restored to health, not his body or his tissues. We are not going to concentrate only on body or tissue, because according to homeopathic concept, what happens is that as we select the medicines according to causation of the disease, or when we prescribe the homeopathic medicines, what the medicine is going to do, it is naturally going to bring the changes in body or tissue, because first the vital force get deranged, then only some external signs, symptoms appear. Signs, symptoms are appearing on body, or there are the changes in tissue, which is called pathology. Now those changes are observed only once the vital force is deranged. That is why when we are going to prescribe the medicine, we were going to start the homeopathic treatment, what will happen? The homeopathic medicine start acting on the vital force, that is internal agent which is responsible for the disease state. It will automatically bring the changes in changes in body or tissues that has happened back to the original state. Tissue change is only the result of the diseases, because homeopathy believes that tissue change or whatever pathology we are going to observe in one particular case, that is only the result of the disease. Some disease happens, again the concept of disease in homeopathy starts from concept of vital force. Internally the disease starts and then it expresses itself externally in the form of signs and symptoms. Well, then who is the sick man? The tissues could not become sick unless something prior to them has been deranged to make them sick. Now this is the homeopathic concept. Dr. Kent says that tissues cannot become sick. Tissues could not only become sick until and unless something was there internally which was responsible for causing the changes in body or tissue, due to which the tissues got deranged and which came prevalent, or which came to the surface in the form of sickness, or what we label it as the disease. The combination of will and the understanding. Now will and understanding, this is the internal concept that we are already discussing, that is something internally got deranged, due to which those bodies or tissues showed the changes in the form of signs and symptoms. Will and understanding constitute man. Conjoined they make life and activity. Now body and tissues are there. Body is made up of tissues. There are some changes also. Metabolism is also going on. All these processes are carried out in the healthy human being also. But something was responsible for deranging that internal power which is controlling the body, and that got deranged, and then it expressed itself externally in the form of disease. It's the sole duty of physician to heal the sick. Now only or whole a complete duty of physician is to heal the sick, means to completely bring back the disease state to the healthy state. It's not a sole duty to heal the result of sickness, because changes in body or any pathological changes which are externally observable or observed in the lab investigations also, he says it's not the duty to heal the result of sickness. Now those changes are the results of sickness, but sickness itself, means we have to start from and focus on the human being himself. And when the man has been restored to health, there will be restored harmony in tissues and in activities. Now when we restore that, start trying to restore the health, means when vital force will be corrected, then there will be restored automatically tissues and activities all will come to normal. Then the sole duty of physician is to put in order the interior of the economy. That is, homeopathic physician has to focus on interior of economy, that is will and understanding, as Hahnemann says. That is why in further study of organ of medicine we'll see the homeopathy lays stress on mental symptoms also. In complete case taking we'll see we have the totality of the symptom, in which mental symptoms are given the top priority and then followed by the physical symptom. This is the very reason here Dr. Kent explains it as, mentions as the will and understanding, means mental symptoms are to be given priority because they are somehow or always responsible for the changes in body or tissue. As Hahnemann says, there are no diseases but the sick people. Idea of sickness in man must be formed from the idea of sickness perceived in our materia medica. Same is the thing, because in materia medica we are going to get the symptoms noticed in the tabular form in materia medica, which were noticed whenever some crude drug substance was given during drug proving. As we perceive the nature of the sickness in a drug image, so must we perceive the nature of sickness in a human being to be healed. Now as we get the symptom picture there, that is the same thing of duty of the physician to here he mentions about complete case taking, how the case is to be taken. Mental symptoms are given to be given top priority, then followed by physical symptoms, then totality of the symptom is to be taken, and then by a process of repertorization proper medicine is to be selected, and that is going to give the good results. Okay, thanks, and thanks for watching the video, and if you have any queries please mention in the comments below.